points that would help the reader of the Holy Quran avoid certain confusions and errors. Number first, the Holy Quran sometimes speaks of divine guidance as being general and common to believers and non-believers. In fact, to all creatures, and sometimes makes it out to be particular and special to the God-fearing. So the unwary may be led to sense a contradiction here. But once it is understood that one degree of guidance is common to all, whereas another degree is limited to particular cases, the doubt and confusion readily resolves itself. Second, on the other hand, the Holy Quran reminds us again and again that Allah does not grant guidance to the unjust and the unrighteous. On the other hand, it repeatedly declares that Allah guides all. The misunderstanding which may arise here is also dispelled by a knowledge of the degrees of guidance. Now we can easily see that the general guidance is given to all without any distinction, but the third and very special degree of guidance is not granted to the unjust and the unrighteous. Number third, the first and the third degrees of guidance pertain to a direct act of divine grace, and no prophet can have anything to do with it. For the function of the prophets is related only to the second degree. Whenever the Holy Quran speaks of prophets alayhi salam as guide, it is always referring to this second degree and to it alone. On the other hand, when the Holy Quran addressing the noble prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "You cannot guide whom you please," Surah 28 ayat 56, it is a third degree of guidance which is intended. That is to say, it is neither the function of a prophet nor it is in his power to provide tawfiq to anyone, in other words, to make it easy for anyone to accept guidance. To sum up, the Quranic prayer, "Guide us in the straight path," is most comprehensive and certainly one of the most important prayers taught to man. No member of the human family can claim not to need it. No success, no prosperity in this or in the other world can really come without being on the straight path, particularly so for man lost in the anxieties of mortal life. The prayer for the straight path is an elixir. Though people do not realize it,